Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of MongoDB. So today we are going to insert row using the MongoDB shell command. So let's get started how we are going to insert any row in any of the table. So just specify the table name and insert it. Okay. So let's get started. So I'm going to insert the data in the posts. Okay. So I'm going to paste this, enter it. Okay. And we will check in the MongoDB over here, refresh, refresh these collections and post. You can see that we have one record inserted with the tags user. So what we have to do is we have db.post insert function will help to insert the data title, body, category. Okay, so you can also add only the title, body. Okay, and I'm going to just remove this one. Here we had with the user, we don't require this arrays and all, so you can also add like this. Okay, so hello world, you can mention it like 2 lorem ipsum 2. Okay, with the category news, and this you can also copy this and paste this over here. Okay, and then added this, insert this. You can also check there is a second row inserted over here. So let's collections, posts. You can see that we have a two records. Okay, so anytime you can add any data into the respective collections using the Mongo shell. So you can use jobs, customers, users with the help of the only query, that is db.post.insert, to insert the data into the database of collections. You can say that tables. Currently we have insert the data in the tables. So this we have inserted the data in the tables, and automatically if there is a no column over here, it automatically creates it and add the data accordingly. Okay, so don't do MongoDB is so flexible on that. Okay, so we don't need to create any kind of like you can say the table column name to insert the data. So whatever we are going to sending him, it will automatically create on that row, not the previous one. So don't forget that it will create the current one, not the previous one. Okay, so this is how we can insert the data, insert a row into the database of the Mongo using the shell command. Any query, any issue in that, let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Thank you so much for watching it. Have a great day.